It's time for another no excuses marketing, chilling at the bowling alley. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Doing this quick video to talk about LiveGood and the dope opportunity that it is for anybody who's looking for a side hustle, anybody looking to get into affiliate marketing, network marketing. It's just a dope opportunity, right? They got the products, they got the compensation plan, and mainly which I really like is the community. Everybody in LiveGood is dope, everybody's supportive, and that's why I rock with LiveGood. And if you want to check out this opportunity, don't waste your time, right? Get started with LiveGood today. The link in the description, click on it, take the 5-minute LiveGood tour, see what this opportunity is all about, get started, and start building that monthly income. All right, a lot of people question like, oh, is it real? You know, is it legit? Is it not? It's 100% legit, 100% real. It just matters if you're serious or not, if you about that life. If you is, click that link in the description, and I will see you on the team.